Diabetes is difficult to treat, but you should know that there are many natural remedies against it. Many plants are powerful anti-diabetic agents, and most of them have been used to treat diabetes since ancient times. Of course, not all ancient treatments were safe. Arsenic and uranium were also given to diabetics, but their effect on the health of the patients was devastating. Luckily, these remedies were abandoned in favor of the anti-diabetic properties of beans. Diabetes is a serious health problem that occurs when the body can't produce or use insulin properly. The condition is usually treated with insulin shots, which are taken every day in order to regulate the blood sugar levels. However, these shots have adverse side effects as well, including weight gain, swelling, and liver disease. They also haven't shown any great potential in treating the disease. Many experts suggest that lifestyle changes are the most effective thing against diabetes. To treat the disease, you should eat more legumes and cereal. They can reduce the insulin resistance in your body, which is the main cause of type 2 diabetes. The European Association for the Study of Diabetes, the Canadian Association of Diabetes, and the American Diabetes Association all recommend legumes as a natural way of controlling your blood sugar levels. Based on a comprehensive analysis of 41 studies conducted in Canada, encompassing over 1,000 patients, it has been established that legumes stand out as highly effective remedies for diabetes management, capable of maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Notably, within the category of legume seeds, some varieties demonstrate superior efficacy compared to others. Among these, chickpeas emerged as the most favorable, while black beans exhibited greater effectiveness than conventional beans. Compared to the blood sugar peak caused by white rice, black and pinto beans combined with rice reduced the spike quickly. Red and dark beans were not so effective as they had low levels of digestive starch. Beans are effective against diabetes as they contain compounds that block the starch enzymatic digestion in the body, allowing starches to go to the colon and feed the beneficial bacteria in the bowels. The inhibition of the amylase enzyme is similar to what the popular diabetes drug Precoz does. Regular consumption of beans can also normalize your hemoglobin A1C levels almost as well as any other drug, which makes the ingredient a great natural remedy against diabetes.